Hello friends, Pooja here. So today I'll show you how to design a screwdriver in Creo Parametric. So first take a revolve, click a right plane, then say OK. Take a center line, then start with line. So dimension of this line is 12.5. Then create a raw profile like this. Take a ellipse. Then delete segment, select the delete segment and delete all unwanted profiles. Close that sketch by sketch. Then give a dimension. Dimension of this line is 6. Dimension from here to here is 2.5. Dimension from here to till here is 45. And dimension from here to here 5. Say okay. Okay. Again select around, select the same plane, take the center line and start with line. Again create a raw profile. Dimension. So dimension from here to here is 10. 5. This dimension is 5. Dimension from here to till here is 60. Take a fillet. Dimension is 5. Give here a random dimension and dimension from here to here is 16.5. Say OK. Then cut. Select the same plane. Take a center line. Create a raw sketch. Mirror the sketch. Dimension from here to here is 4. And angle between from these two lines is 15. So give a random dimension. Say OK. Select a remove material from both sides. From both sides, you can select a through all. Say OK. Again, extrude. Select a front plane. Take a center line. Create a sketch from line. Again, mirror this sketch. The dimension from here to here is 1, and angle between these two lines is 12. Give here a random dimension. This dimension is 16.5. Say okay. Select a remove material and select a through all from both sides. Say okay. So again, take this plane for extrude cut. Take a circle of this 2 diameter. Say okay. Flip the direction and select the remove material and select the option for all. Make a pattern of this feature. Select axis pattern. Select the axis. Take 8 instances. Say okay. Okay. So here is the round. So take a round first. Select these lines. Say okay. One more round is there. That is 0.75. Select these lines. Say okay. Then you can drop this feature. The round of 0.25 and select all these lines. Say okay. Yeah, the part is ready. Then assigning the material. Go to view. Select this part. Go to appearances. Select this part. Again, select this part. Go to appearances. Okay. For changing the material, again go to appearances. Edit. From here, you can change the color. Okay. Change display style from here. part is completed with material. Thank you.